Do you often wonder if your puppy is healthy? Along with regular vet visits for checkups, there are many signs that let you know whether your puppy is healthy or not. Knowing these telltale signs. Yes, even puppies need pearly whites to be healthy. Your furry friend may suffer from many dental diseases that affect humans. If your puppy exhibits fresh, odorless breath and lack of plaque or tartar buildup on their teeth, it generally means they're in good health. If you snuggle up to your puppy and no waxy smell comes from its ears, that's definitely good news. Your fur baby's ears will get dirty at some point. If you neglect your puppy's ears, they may develop an ear infection, which can be quite irritating for them. Like in humans, obesity in dogs can cause several health problems, like diabetes, heart conditions, bone diseases, and even cancer. If you notice that your puppy's weight is decreasing, take them to the vet as soon as possible, as it can be a sign of a health problem. One good way to tell if your puppy is healthy is to check their poop and urine. A change in either bladder and bowel movements may indicate illness, infection, stress, or other health conditions. A beautiful, radiant coat means your puppy is very healthy. Excessive licking, scratching, or biting at the skin may mean that your puppy's skin is irritated, exposed to allergens, or has fleas. Check with your vet to assess the problem. A puppy that's affectionate with their families and attentive to their surroundings means they're content and healthy. Pay close attention to your puppy's usual behavior and note any changes before taking them to the vet. Remember that your furry friend is not able to tell you when there's something wrong with them. As puppy parents, it's crucial to observe and check our puppies for an injury or illness. When in doubt, don't hesitate to take a trip to the vet.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe down below and watch your latest videos.